Ripple lawsuit faces unusual calm ahead of pivotal milestone. XRP community reacts. Ripple has been successful in the case brought by the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) over the course of the past year. These victories include a ruling that states that XRP is not a security as a matter of law and a decision that rejects the SEC request for an interlocutory appeal. All of the remaining accusations against Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Executive Chairman Chris Larsen were also dropped by the Securities and Exchange Commission. Entering the year 2024, there appears to be a lack of activity about the case, with less talks taking place on social media. Fred Rispoli, a legal expert who is also acting as a participant in the Ripple litigation, brings the attention of the XRP community to the unusual calm that has been observed in the dispute. The discovery process pertaining to damages is expected to be finished on February 12th. Considering how contentious this litigation has been, it is surprising that we have not seen any discovery motions filed by the SEC before now. Within the next week or two, I would anticipate seeing one that has been submitted. Fred Rispoli is the third person. 8th of January, 2044, the same sentiment is held by Jeremy Hogan, an attorney and XRP enthusiast who has expressed concern on the unusually low level of public activity. According to Rispoli, the unusual lack of activity in the litigation may be an indication that the Securities and Exchange Commission is moving on to other efforts or shakedowns. The important date is drawing near. In light of the determination that certain institutional sales constituted sales of securities, the Ripple litigation has now reached the remedies stage in which the court will decide which, if any, remedies to impose. This decision will be made in light of the fact that the ruling was made. Taking this into consideration, the next significant date in the lawsuit is February 12, 2024, which will be the date that the discovery process pertaining to remedies will be finished. Given the seriousness of the ongoing legal battle, Rispoli stated his surprise over the discovery motions that have not yet been filed by the Securities and Exchange Commission. His expectation is that there will be at least one motion submitted approximately 1 week before the deadline. The legal expert forecasts that one of two outcomes will occur. First, the SEC will obtain the discovery it desires. It will review it, and the parties will ultimately come to an agreement. Second, Rispoli suggests that if this does not occur, there is a possibility that the discovery process will continue until the conclusion of the remedies briefing, which is scheduled to take place on April 29. A decision is anticipated to be made in the early summer. Ripple forecasts that the final phase of the State Securities and Exchange Commission's extraneous litigation will ultimately be resolved in the year 2024. Regardless of all of this, and also Grayscale has re-added XRP to the digital large cap fund, which is one of the company's largest investment products by assets under management. However, are there any plans to launch an XRP exchange traded fund in the near future? To add insult to injury, Wall Street financial expert Linda Jones has emphasized the enormous potential for XRP, which has left everyone with a single worry in their minds: is an insane wealth of value about to hit the asset soon. Not only that, but as the cryptocurrency payments company continues its legal battle with the SEC and Zakhanov, we will also be looking at the reasons why April 2024 will be a significant month for Ripple and XRP. This will be taken into consideration as we continue our investigation. Finally, the pre-IPO investment platform Link2 has highlighted tendencies that firms like Ripple that are intending to go on an initial public offering journey should keep an eye out for in 2020. I will be reviewing all of these trends with you guys. In a news release that was issued last night, the digital asset investing firm shared this information. In a news release that was issued last night, the digital asset investing firm shared this information. A quarterly rebalancing of several of Grayscale's investment products was disclosed in the announcement. These products include the Grayscale DeFi Fund, the Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund, and the Grayscale Smart Contract Platform X Ethereum Fund. The news was noteworthy since it featured this information. Coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, Cardano, and Avalanche were included in the Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund, which was established with the intention of providing investors with exposure to some of the most valuable cryptocurrencies in terms of market capitalization. However, in the most recent release, the corporation acknowledged that they have sold off some components in order to acquire additional Avalanche tokens and XRP tokens as part of the quarterly rebalancing maneuver. Following that, they have re-added XRP to the fund, which has ultimately replaced Matic Money. As a consequence of this, XRP currently holds a market weight of 2.54 of the total market capitalization of the fund, placing it just below Bitcoin 69.1, Ethereum 21.9, and Solana 3.6, with an astounding $378.04 million in assets under management. The GDLC fund is Grayscale's third largest investment product. It is the third largest investment product overall. Please keep in mind that Grayscale already held XRP in the fund prior to the filing of the complaint by the SEC against Ripple and its respective officials. However, after Ripple was charged by the regulatory agency for allegedly engaging in unregistered securities offerings, XRP experienced severe sell-offs, which resulted in a decrease in its market cap. Grayscale took action by removing XRP from the fund on January 4, 2021. In the midst of the ongoing legal confrontation, the company acquired more assets in the fund by utilizing the profits from the sale of its XRP shares, which it had. In spite of this, Grayscale has been receiving an increasing number of requests to reintroduce the asset since the landmark decision that was made in July 2023, which deemed XRP to be a non-security. It is important to note that these calls surfaced at the same time that major exchanges based in the United States, such as Coinbase and Kraken, relisted XRP. Grayscale reaffirmed in its most recent release that the ruling assisted XRP in making it possible to fulfill the requirements for admission in the GDLC fund. Is it still possible to create an exchange-traded fund for XRP? The recent event has caused elation among those who support XRP, and some people are already looking forward to the possibility of a spot exchange-traded fund tech associated with XRP. It is noteworthy that top asset managers have been looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum for spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, but XRP has been mostly neglected, despite the fact that it is the only alternative cryptocurrency that has legal certainty in the United States. Commentators in the industry have questioned the reasons why asset management companies like BlackRock have not been pushing to develop a spot exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP. An increase in the price of XRP occurred as a result of the discovery of a phony BlackRock shares XRP ETF in November of last year. On the other hand, the token's value decreased after it was discovered that the product was counterfeit. Grayscale had previously sponsored a crypto watch display on CNBC that included CNBC's coverage of the prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. This further fueled rumors that an XRP exchange-traded fund WUS is on the horizon. In January of 2021, Grayscale also liquidated its XRP trust in response to the complaint filed by the Securities and Exchange Commission SEC. Following the reintroduction of the cryptocurrency asset to the GDLC fund by the investing firm, market watchers are anticipating the launch of an exchange-traded fund SF comprised of XRP. However, as of this moment, the company has not made any indications on the existence of such a product. In the following portion of the movie, we will delve even further into this topic. Please make sure that you do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and also make sure that you hit the notification bell in order to be the first person to receive additional updates regarding the most recent events that pertain to XRP.